will play a guitar. The title is We Are Never Ever Getting Together. So please watch. Hope you like it. So that's all. I will teach you how to make how to play the chords. So this is the chords. You can see A, B, D7. So like this. And the sound is, and then G7 I think. So like this. And D plus 7. EF minor 7. So we will play together. So that's all. Thank you for watching, everyone, and hope you like it. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Please watch some of my videos. Call me maybe, and